A lot of people use their laptops like this, plugged into a monitor with the lid closed. But is it really safe? I mean, you keep the screen closed all the time, is it gonna be okay? I ask because I've noticed my laptop's keyboard sometimes gets pretty hot, and I wonder if it's good for the laptop's performance since laptops are designed to be open, but we are using them with the screen closed all the time. I think it depends on two interrelated reasons, mainly your laptop's design for thermal performance and your usage. If your laptop has plenty of exhaust to dissipate the hot air, then it should be fine. And even though you can keep it flat on the table, I wouldn't recommend it because there isn't enough separation from the bottom, so it may not be able to breathe properly. Just get a laptop stand like this one. You can prop it vertically like that, or you can get a rotating laptop stand. I'll link all the ones I'm using in the description so you can check it out with a discount. But I have noticed some laptops don't have proper heat dissipation design, like they have the vents on odd locations. This one, for example, blows hot air directly upwards from the screen. That's so stupid. I think it's one of the worst designs ever. Not that it will damage the screen or anything, I'm sure it'll be fine, but when I'm typing, I can sometimes feel the hot air on my fingers. And if the laptop is close enough, I can even feel it under my chin. Maybe it's nice for the winter, but why? Why would you keep it like that? So if you close such a laptop and keep it like that operating for a long time, it may not breathe properly. Now you can use it, these machines are designed to be worked like that too, but I would suggest keep an eye on the thermals, and if you notice your machine working a little bit glitchy or something, it may be thermal throttling. If it's getting too hot, I would recommend keeping it open for a while. And if you're wondering what's the best way to get into this closed laptop mode, when the laptop is awake, connect it to a display, then close the lid. It may sleep for a while, but just click some mouse buttons and it'll come back to life. And most modern operating systems, including Windows, will automatically display something on your screen. They can dynamically switch between multiple monitors. But if it doesn't work that way, you can go to Control Panel's power options and disable the screen sleep when you close the lid. And that's all. Just make sure there's plenty of ventilation and it should work fine. I like to use my laptops in a dual screen orientation, but what about you? Do you use it like this?